beautiful sound of having an exhaust. I can finally listen to music and hear my bike at the same time. Hey y'all, it's Ashfoot here. And I got a new delicious sounding, beautiful, exquisite aftermarket exhaust. I'm wondering if you can even guess what it is. It sounds so sexy. Probably could guess what it is, actually. Most Yamaha MT09 owners have this exhaust. I was gonna go with the Yoshi, like my other bike, but I wanted to keep the same exhaust that my husband got on his new bike. So delicious. Oh! Oh! Ah, I love it. Oh. Oh my god. I love it. No, this new exhaust I have does not have the baffle in. Oh my god, the downshift sounds so good! Oh! I have a video of us installing this new exhaust, and it should be pretty short. There's so many videos out there of this exhaust being installed on this bike. Sound checks, walk-arounds, everything. That it seems kind of pointless for me to do one. So I might just add it into this video. Torque. Oh, come on, 600 miles. Why can't you be here right now? I want to see what this machine's got.